Hello everyone, welcome to the July 2019 Happy Meal haul. One, I haven't even fully registered the fact that July's over and we're already into August. And two, my voice does sound scratchy. Got a chest cold, hooray. All my kids are sniffling and coughing and germs are going around. And anyway, let's hop right into it. So, the theme for July was underwater, like beach, water location, etc. So pretty much anything, as always. I'm not a stickler on the themes for all the reasons that I state in every Happy Meal haul video. Biggest one being is sometimes things can take longer to get to me. So this one is from Marie. So really fun. I love the bold sentiment. And then you got all your cute little fish. I just think it's adorable. So very much a water theme. So that one's from Marie. And then I have these two from Gloria. Just cute little hedgehog, kind of love theme. And then the old couple on the bench. Just really cute. So just happy. Little stitching edge on the frame. Got those. And then this one came from Ingrid in BC. And good thing I read your letter. Because I thought at first, I was like, that's an odd way to like... Because usually I'll add like a piece of cardstock to like protect some of my cards. But this was on the inside for one. And I was like, that's odd. You know, I didn't quite clue into what it was. But she explained that in one of my videos I was talking about, in one of my black and gold videos, because I'm still obsessed with black, gold, and white, black watercolor paper. She'd actually found some and she sent me some, which to everyone, it's not necessary to send me things at all. But always appreciated. So yeah, there is black watercolor paper out there. This one she found was this is 300 GSM, 140 pound, acid free, 100% cotton. I think she said what the brand was. Stonehenge Aqua cold press. Also FYI, if I remember, I'll link to it. She was talking about paper cutter. This the Tim Holtz ones by Tonic. I have this size and I have the big one. This is the smaller one. Amazing cutters. Like, I cut watercolor paper and it doesn't give me rough edges. Anyway, not only black watercolor, another thing you can get is Daniel Smith watercolors. They make one called, I think it's just called, is it Black Ground? And it's literally a black that you can paint and create a black surface and then watercolor over it. I don't have it yet, haven't tried it, but yeah, it's cool. So there's that. And then just this really nice Thinking of You card. So thank you. So got that. And then this one from Charlotte. And I got a kick out of this. This was inspired by 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea. You drew the Nautilus Submarine. So if you hand drew that, major thumbs up to you. I can't draw to save my life, I feel. Like, I couldn't do that, that's for sure. So really cute. Like, what a neat way to take the theme to a whole other level. So really fun. And then painted with distress oxides and whatnot. Yeah, painted with distress oxides. So that's really fun. Really fun. And then like the clear enamel bubbles, which I'm obsessed with. Perfect for, of course, any sort of water theme. So that was from Charlotte. And then these ones arrived from Lina and Peugeot in Finland. And they do this pretty much every month, where they each submit a card to the theme. So it's just kind of fun. So this one is Lina's, and there's like coordinating envelope. I just got a kick out of that. That's that Tim Holtz Stampers Anonymous Crazy Bird set. So cute to use it in that way and like create a little like mask for him. Like brilliant. Just brilliant. Love it. Cute. Miss you. See you. That's so cute. So got that one. And then Peugeot's card, we've got a cute little puffer fish, and it's on a action wobble, which I always love. Again, cute little scene, sending you birthday fishes. How cute. You guys just knock it out of the park. I think that's so fun. And the envelope, of course, is decorated too with another little puffer fish. Super fun. I love that. Got that one. And then I've got this one from Evelyn in Estonia. Just a really pretty thank you card that I wanted to share. I really like this like metallic embossing. It's just pretty. So got that one. And then this one was from Jennifer, and she was actually one of my giveaway winners. So she made this with some of the products that were in the giveaway. And again, people don't need to send cards or anything, but I just like to share them. And then this was in there, and I just wanted to say thank you. I covered your phone number because I didn't want to put you on blast on the internet. But yeah, she made this, and it's stamped with Prairie paper and ink and AmyR. Isn't that gorgeous? So thank you. I think this is just so pretty. That really just kind of made my day. I love it. So yeah, love the rainbow colors. Love the keychain. It's fabulous. So that one, and then we've got this one from Madeline in California. This one kind of just cracked me up. I've said this before. I love shark stamps, even more like scary shark stamps. I like them, and yet if I would be terrified, absolutely terrified. But yeah, tourist season is my favorite. That gave me a sweet summertime. I got a giggle out of that, and I love the scene created, like all the colors. Really fun. I just think that's so much fun. So that one's from Madeline in California. And then I've got this one from Cindy in Quebec. And the envelope was all decorated. Love the like portal window basically. How cute is that? And then the actual card with the sailor's knot. Everything very like dimensional and themed. Like so cute. Love it. I love the colors too. I'm not big into nautical themes, and yet I really like them. I like the look of them, you know? It's weird. Anyway, so that was from Cindy in Quebec, and this one from Alison. And I loved like the cord. I like the style. Like yeah, this looks so nice. Simple, you know, you don't have to go totally all out with envelopes, but I love even like the turtle postage stamp. It just works. I think it's so cute. So we've got the card, and again, really like this. I like the idea of having your image and then like sponging over a stencil. It just works, and your coloring is fabulous, by the way, just awesome. And then so it's like that, and then it actually like opens up as well. So isn't that fun? Sorry, I've got like the little holes in the blinds, you know, where the strings go at this time of day, like right across my filming screen. So anyway, really cute. Really cute. So that one, and I've got this one from Wendy J, and she included an envelope because it's a very odd size, so she made the envelope for this, and I really like even the insides, like seahorse and shell themed. Isn't that fun? So, and then washi tape, like rip up washi tape to kind of create a frame. That's a really fun idea too. I'm a sucker for you. So cute. So cute. There's that one. And then we've got this one from Stephanie in Germany. And again, the envelope is all like decorated, even an underwater postage stamp. Love. And then we've got this adorable, this is a Simon Says stamp set. Yeah, so the scene on the outside and then a full scene on the inside, which of course, I'm partial to always. Some like glossy accents added to some of it too. Love. It just gives it that extra something. Love it. Love it. So got that one. And then last but not least is this one from Sabine in Alberta. This super cute little MFT set that I made that pop-up wiper card with. So yeah, just cutting little waves to tuck them in. Really, really cute. Isn't that adorable? God, I love MFT stamps. So adorable. So that was all of the super, super fabulous cards from you guys that showed up in my P.O. box. As always, first off, huge thank you to my patrons that support me over on Patreon. Yeah, without you guys, like huge help in all of this. I always have a link to my Patreon in the description box below for those that are interested. And then, as always, if you are interested in the Happy Mail haul or you want to participate or anything like that, I have more info in my blog post. That'll be the first link directly below the video. And it just kind of outlines everything. I'm not a big stickler with a lot of it. It just kind of outlines the basics. We do have themes for each month, but again, I'm not a big, like, oh, if your card doesn't meet the theme, I'm not going to show it. I'm not like that at all. I like showing off everything that you guys create and send. So you can check that out if you're interested. Always, always don't be intimidated. I've had some people, you know, sending cards saying they've never sent in, you know, they've never sent a card, or they're just brand new at this hobby, etc. And I love that. I think it's fun. We all got to start somewhere. And it's just fun seeing what everyone is creating. Like, you guys always do so many fun, amazing cards, and I just love it. So, yeah, all that info will be in the description box below, the mailing address, all that stuff. And then that, like, full info about the Happy Mail call. Our Happy Mail haul. I can't even talk. My voice is starting to go. That'll be on my blog as well. And then, yeah, if you guys have like questions or anything, or you just want to leave some encouragement to those that have sent in or that are thinking about sending in, leave those in the comments below so that everyone can see them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing and thumbs upping and following, all of it. I really appreciate it. And I'm going to catch you guys really soon in the next video. Bye.